Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to display or hide the Wi-Fi icon and sound icon from taskbar in Windows 11. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to windhawk.net and just simply select a download and just simply select a location over here. And now you can just simply select the folder on where it is located and just simply open the setup and click on OK and select a language and click on next, and if prompted select yes and just simply select a components to install. So I'm going to go for desktop shortcut and select next and select a destination file and install. And guys, sadly for Windows 11 it doesn't have a direct turn off and turn on feature, so you have to do this on a third party application like the Windhawk, which help you display or hide your network and volume icons. And let's just simply wait for it to load up. Now once done, select finish, and now from here it will open up the application and just simply use the browse for mods over here, and I'm gonna search for system tray. Now just simply select details over here and select install and accept risk and installation. Now once it is done, you would just simply select settings over here, and after that, as you can see, you could hide the volume icon and the network icon. So if I turn it on, as you can see, it is still available, and select save settings. And now there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.